Okay, we're back in the shop with our Mk7 GTI project car, and last time we put some parts on it from 034 Motorsport, a catch can and a new PCV valve to try and limit the amount of crap going through the intake. And that catch can seems to be doing its job. It's frequently full of contaminants and other crud after we go on track, but now it's time to clean up what's accumulated over the 30,000 miles this GTI spent before it had a catch can on it. Why is this an issue? Why are contaminants building up on the intake tract of our GTI? The reason is it's a direct-injected car like a lot of modern vehicles, so gasoline does not wash over the intake valves, it doesn't wash over, basically anything except the combustion chamber, which means carbon builds up over time and that can hurt performance. So to see how much contamination had already occurred, we actually put our inspection camera into the intake tract of our GTI. And we saw a lot of carbon. The intake valves in particular were just completely full of carbon buildup. And normally in these cars, you're supposed to pull the intake manifold every, I think it's 60,000 miles, something like that, and actually walnut blast them to remove that carbon buildup. So walnut blasting works very well, but it's sort of expensive. You have to disassemble the car to do it. And we don't have a walnut blaster. Instead, we're going to be trying something else, a CRC Industries GDI Service Kit, which includes 4 products designed to clean the carbon buildup out of a modern direct-injected car. So CRC says that this kit will remove 68% of carbon deposits in 1 hour and get somewhere around 5.7% better fuel mileage as a result. So the first part of this kit, and maybe the most important, is the CRC GDI IVD intake valve and turbo cleaner. Now, CRC is pretty darn particular about what they put into each can, and it's so particular, in fact, that they've given me an exact script to read to explain this product because they want me to be as precise as this is. This product contains a high concentration of PEA, polyethyramine, detergency that gets directly to the back of the valves and intake. PEA, or polyethyramine, is a nitrogen-based detergent stable enough to withstand the harsh environment of the combustion chamber and the only detergent proven to remove caked-on carbon deposits from intake valves. Not all fuel additives are created equal, so check the ingredients. You'll only find PEA in the highest performing additives. There we go, verbatim from CRC. This stuff is strong. So along with the intake valve and turbo cleaner, you also get a bottle of CRC's one-tank Power Renew, which contains more PEA designed to wash out fuel injectors and spark plugs, as well as a mass airflow sensor cleaner and a throttle body and air intake cleaner. So we're going to put this kit on our Golf and see what it does. If you want to do a little bit of a deeper dive into the science and some more scientific testing, we've put a link in the description to CRC's own site where they have videos and tests and all sorts of data showing exactly how this stuff works and what it does to a car. If you want to learn more about Project GTI or any of the parts on it, any of the things we've done to it, please make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you at the track.
Support brands who support grassroots motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. To learn more, visit crcindustries.com. Want to see more content like this? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And for more information, visit us online at grassrootsmotorsports.com.